Dear students, we are in 3.3 exercise and in the last class we have finished 6 questions. 6 questions, 6 problems. Okay. Now let us see 7th problem onwards. Total 12 questions are there. Let us try to finish this exercise in this class. Okay. See what they have given in 7th question. 7th question, 2 parts are there. First part I have written first. Let us finish this and we will go for second part. First part you see, show that the matrix A is 1 minus 1 5 minus 1 2 1 5 1 3 is a symmetric matrix. This is a 3 by 3. Normally what is symmetric matrix? We know symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix are square matrices. It is a square matrix 3 by 3. Okay, first point. Second point, symmetric matrix even after transpose the same matrix will come. Okay, that means see, transposing means A transpose is equal to A will come. If even after transposing same matrix is going to come, then this matrix is going to be called as a symmetric matrix. Let us see first to transpose it. Why? Because see, without transpose also we can see and tell. But in examination point of view, you have to do the process of transposing. Okay. See, this is A. Now A transpose I am doing. You see, A transpose is equal to. Okay, what I am doing? I am doing rows into columns, interchanging. Okay, rows into column. That means first row is going to become first column, second row is going to become second column, third row is going to become third column. That is called transpose. Okay, transpose. Symbol is this one. Even you can keep A power T also, but this is in less practice. That is why you keep A dash, A transpose. Okay. 1 minus 1 5, this will be the first column. First row has become first column. Second column minus 1 2 1, this will be the second column. Then third row is going to become third column. Okay, close it. Now you see both are same. Yes sir. Why? Because see 1 minus 1 5, 1 minus 1 5, minus 1 2 1, minus 1 2 1, 5 1 3, 5 1 3. But you have taken rows, but after arrangement in columns also, the same matrix is going to come. Then what you are going to write? You are going to write like this. A transpose is equal to A. Therefore, A is a symmetric matrix. Okay. Therefore, A is a symmetric matrix. Like this, you write and close this question. Okay. Let us go for second question. Second part of the seventh question. Okay. See the second part of the seventh question. Now, matrix has been changed. He is asking us to show skew symmetric matrix. You see, show that the matrix A 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 is a skew symmetric matrix. That means we have to show it as a skew symmetric matrix. Basically, skew symmetric matrix also a square matrix 3 by 3 and diagonal elements are 0. Okay, diagonals are 0 for skew symmetric matrix. That these two conditions they have to follow. And third condition is opposite to this elements should be same value but with negative symbol. You see, one opposite minus 1, minus 1 opposite plus 1, 1 opposite minus 1. If that is there, then this will be a skew symmetric matrix. Even then we will transpose and see. But what the condition for skew symmetric matrix? Finally, for skew symmetric matrix, after transpose, A transpose should become minus A, negative A. Negative A. Okay. A transpose should become negative A. Then this is going to be called as skew symmetric matrix. If A transpose is normal A, if A transpose is A, symmetric. A transpose is negative A, minus A, that is skew symmetric. Let us transpose first. A transpose is equal to, okay, now you make these rows as columns. 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. 0, 1, minus 1 is column, second column, second row is second column, third row is third column. We have made this one. Okay. Now what we do, we find A, negative A. Negative A is equal to negative A. You see 0 is 0 only, but 1 is minus 1, minus 1 is 1, minus 1 is 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0. Why? Because negative A I have done. Is it equal to this A transpose? You see, A transpose and negative A both are same. 0 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. That means what you have to write? You have to write like this. A transpose is equal to negative A, therefore, you have written this, like that you think. A transpose is equal to minus A, therefore, A is skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, A is skew symmetric matrix. Like that you write and close this question. Let us go for 8th question. Okay, see, the 8th question, for the matrix A, this is 2 by 2 matrix only, easily we can do. All these concepts we have done in conceptual class. Verify that 1, 5, 6, 7, we should verify this matrix as A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. This we have done in conceptual class, proof and verification both. Proof we have taken this as B, this as C, and we have proved, and we have taken examples also. Examples also we have taken 2 by 2 only. Here also 2 by 2 has come. Further example 3 by 3 is going to come. We will do 3 by 3 there. But let us finish first this one. This is very easy only. Whatever may be the matrix, square matrix if you take and do A plus A transpose. That means first you transpose it and add with original matrix, then that matrix is going to become symmetric matrix. That is going to become symmetric matrix. Now he is asking us to verify whether it is going to become or not. That is first one. Second one also, after transposing, if you subtract this transposed matrix from original matrix, you see subtraction of transposed matrix from original matrix, then skew symmetric matrix is going to come. That also we have seen. Let us once again we verify. Okay, let us do it. First basic is, first you write down again this A. Why? Because left side A, right side A transpose, you should have to perform these operations. Again I am writing 1, 5, 6, 7. These are A and A transpose. A transpose also you write down again. Now this row is going to become column here. Second row is going to become second column here. Okay. Now both you are having A and A transpose. And first part, second part, both you can do. Okay. Let us do first part, A plus A transpose. Let us prove this as symmetric. A plus A transpose is equal to, okay, simply add 1 plus 1, 2, 5 plus 6, 7, 6 plus 5, 11, 7 plus 7, 14, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, 11. We have done mistake. Okay. 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 This is A plus A transpose. For proving symmetric, what you have to do? A plus A transpose, whole transpose you have to do. Okay. See, anything to prove transpose or to prove symmetric or skew symmetric, then you have to do transpose only. After transpose only these concepts have come, symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay. Now I am transposing this again. You see 2, 11, 2, 11, 11, 14, 11, 14. Okay. Is it both are same? A plus A transpose and A plus A transpose, whole transpose, both are same, both are same. You see 2, 11, 2, 11, 11, 4, 11, 4, 2, 11, 2, 11, 11, 4, 11, 14. Okay. Then what we can say? We can say A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Is it okay? Definitely okay. 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 Let us do second part also. A minus A transpose. Why? Because A transpose both are here. Write down. A minus A transpose is equal to A minus A transpose. Write down. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay. Is it a skew symmetric matrix? Definitely, but you transpose and tell. Don't tell directly. A minus A transpose whole transpose is equal to, this first column is going to become first row is going to become first column. Okay. Second row is going to become second column. Okay. Now, is it the negative matrix of this A minus A? Negative only. Why? Because see, if you put negative here, this is going to become plus 1. Plus 1. 0 don't go join change. You put 0, negative or positive or plus or minus, zeros are not going to change. But inside remaining real numbers are going to change. If you put negative symbol here, this is going to become plus 1, this is going to become minus 1. You see, this has become plus 1, this has become minus 1. That is why this is equal to A minus, original matrix negative. That means negative of A minus A transpose. Understand, no? Now what you can write? You can write A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is having square matrix, diagonals are 0, opposite elements are same value with negative symbol. See, 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Same 1, 1. If 2 comes, 2 will come. Okay. Here 11 is there, 11 will come. But negative and negative comes and these two zeros are the skew symmetric. We have finished this 8th question. Let us go for 9th question. See the 9th question. Find 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose and 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose when A is equal to 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Okay. Here 2-3 things we will discuss. Any matrix can be shown as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. One theorem we have studied. For that theorem, this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric matrix. Why? Because see, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric, we know. A plus A transpose is symmetric also, we know. But after multiplying both with 1 by 2, then if you add sum, then only the original matrix is going to come. That we know very well. Okay, this is that concept. Another concept, if you see, observe here, this is a skew symmetric matrix. Why? See, this is a 3 by 3 matrix, first square matrix. Diagonals are 0. Opposite are same but negative symbol. You see, A minus A, B minus B, C minus C. That means this is a skew symmetric matrix. But he has not asked whether it is a symmetric or skew symmetric. He is asking first you transpose it, add and into multiply. You transpose it and subtract and multiply with 1 by 2. Those you write. Like that he is asking. Let us do it. That is very easy. Okay. Okay. Now again, once again I am writing A. Why? Because see, A is A transpose. A transpose. Left to right. All should available. That is why let us write again once again. A is equal to 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Okay. This is A. Now I am doing A transpose. A transpose. Okay. For doing A transpose, what I have to do? I have to transpose rows into column. Okay, I am marking rows. You see, 0 AB, 0 AB, minus A 0 C, minus A 0 C, minus B minus C 0, minus B minus C 0. Okay. See, these two are original matrix, transposed matrix. Now let us do the 1 by 1. Half of A plus A transpose we have to do. See how I am doing, you see. Half of A plus A transpose is equal to, okay, half you keep like that only, but you do remaining. You see, add this one. Why? Because A plus A transpose, A transpose, 0 plus 0, 0. A plus minus A, 0. B plus minus B 0. Okay, A plus A transpose 0, B plus B transpose 0. You see all minus A plus A, minus B plus C, minus B plus B, minus C plus C, 0 0. That means all zeros are going to come. 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, see, if all zeros are there, then even if you multiply with any scalar, 0 only going to come. That means finally also you can write 0 0 0, or else you can write this as O. Why? Because O we have given for zero matrix. I is for identity matrix. Okay, this part is over. Find this one. Okay, this we have found. Let us find this one. A minus A transpose. Okay, let us find 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose is equal to 1 by 2 into, okay, A minus A transpose. See, now we have to subtract this from original. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0 only, but A minus of minus A, 2A. B minus of minus B, 2B. Minus A, minus 2A, 0. C minus of minus C, 2C. Minus B minus of minus B, minus 2B. Minus C, minus 2C. 0, 0. Okay. Now also same. Skew symmetric only. 2A means minus 2A, 2B means minus 2B, 2C means minus 2C, 0. Skew symmetric only, but not yet completed. You send 1 by 2 inside. If you send 1 by 2 inside, zeros will be like that only, but these all 2 are going to get cancelled, and A, B, minus A, C, minus B, minus C are going to come. Why? Because 1 by 2 are multiplying. Let us do it. 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, minus B, minus C, 0. Okay. Now this is 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Okay. This will be your final answer. See, now you got one example. If you convert skew symmetric matrix by, if you add transpose of a skew symmetric matrix to same matrix, then 0 is going to come. If you subtract transpose of a skew symmetric matrix from original skew symmetric matrix, then double matrix is going to come. See, double matrix, but skew symmetric only double. Then again you have to multiply with 1 by 2, then this matrix, original matrix is going to come. You see, original matrix has come. Again, original matrix, but this is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, these are, see, by seeing examples and all, you are going to get concepts. That's all. Okay, let us go for 10th question. See the 10th question, what they have written. Express the following matrices as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This is a theorem. We have proved also with 2 by 2. Okay, with 2 by 2 example we have proved in concepts class. Okay, but now even same thing is going to given. See, this is 2 by 2 only, but the second part of this question is 3 by 3. Second, third 3 by 3. Again for fourth one. Again fourth one is 2 by 2. Okay, let us first do is to see what you have to do first. Let A is equal to, like this you have to take A. Okay, now you transpose it, A transpose. See, why here question has come as a show symmetric and skew symmetric. See, unless you do a transpose, you are not going to find whether it is a symmetric or skew symmetric. That means after transposing only you are going to know the concept of symmetric and skew symmetric. That is why first thing is you have to transpose it. Let us transpose. Okay, A transpose is equal to 3 5 is going to become first column, 1 minus 1 is going to become second column. Okay, 1 minus 1 is going to become second column. Okay, now A transpose are there. Now what we have to do? Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. See how you are going to show. First you add these two, then symmetric matrix is going to come. And again you have to divide, multiply with 1 by 2. Let us do it. 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose is equal to, first 1 by 2 you keep outside. 1 by 2. Why? Because this concept we have seen already. See, A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. This is a skew symmetric, this is a symmetric. We can show any matrix by sum of sum plus symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. But logically you have to multiply with 1 by 2 both. Then only original matrix is going to come. Okay. This is only we are doing here. Okay. Now 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. 3 plus 3 6. 5 plus 1 6. 1 plus 5 6. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. This is what 1 by 2 into. But 1 by 2 you send inside. If you send inside 3 minus 1. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now we do 1 by 2 A minus A also. Let us do it. Let us do 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is equal to. Keep 1 by 2 outside. But 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 1 minus of minus 1 0. Is it a skew symmetric? Definitely. Why? Because a square matrix, diagonals are 0. Opposite, these matrices remaining elements are same value but negative symbol you see. Okay. Okay. Now you send 1 by 2 also inside. 1 by 2 if you send 0 doesn't change, but 4 will become 2. Minus 4 will become minus 2 and this is going to become 0. Okay. Now what step I am writing, you see, observe carefully. I am writing like this. A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. A is what? This one. You write down 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Okay. That is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose this one. 3, 3, 3, minus 1. Plus this one. 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Okay. See, this we have written. But have we verified? Definitely we can verify. You see, 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Okay. Now you can say any matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. This is symmetric matrix. You see 3, 3, 3 minus 1. 3, 3, 3 minus 1. This is skew symmetric matrix. If you multiply with minus 1, then minus 2 plus 2 is going to come. That means minus A. Okay. In this way you can do. Now this is 2 by 2. This already we have done in conceptual class. Again they have given in exercise we have done. But second part we do 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Second part. Second and third 3 by 3 are there. Okay. Let us do those also. Okay. See the second part. Second part. 3 by 3 matrix they have given. We have to prove this as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. First thing what you have to do, you have to take this as A. Let A is equal to this matrix. And what you are going to prove? You are going to prove A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Why this? Because these are symmetric and skew symmetric matrices multiplied with your scalar 1 by 2. Why you have to multiply? When you multiply with 1 by 2, then only after adding, then original matrix you are going to get. Okay. Here not only expressing symmetric and skew symmetric, but you have to after adding original matrix has to come. Okay. If you add with multiplying with 1 by 2, then original matrix is going to come. Let us do this. Actually, this question is also not correct question. Third one is correct. Why? Because second question also, skew symmetric matrix, the entire zeros are going to come. Then that is not going to get what we can say. Anything we are going to prove like, but let us do it. Why? Because see, they have given question means we have to do that, sir. Okay. Let us take. Now you see, A is there in front of you only. I am doing A transpose here. Why? Because left side, right side, like I need not write once again A here. Okay. Okay. You see, A transpose is equal to A transpose left, right. Okay. Now you see, these rows are going to become columns. So shall I write without any line? 6 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3. Okay. See, this is A transpose. A transpose. Okay. Okay. Now what you have to do? These two you have to do. First of all, 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Then you have to add. Let us do it. Let me do first 1 by 2 A plus A transpose is equal to. Okay. 1 by 2 I am keeping outside. Okay. 6 plus 6, 12. Minus 2, minus 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 2, minus 4. 3 plus 3, 6. Minus 1, minus 2. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 1, minus 2. 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. See, this is we have not yet send 1 by 2 inside. Outside is there. Then you send inside. If you send inside, these are going to become half. 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Okay. First of all, let us see whether this is symmetric or not. 6 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 2, 2. First row over. Second row also you take. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. Minus 2, 3, minus 1. Second row also over. See third row. 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3. This is symmetric. Okay. Now this has become symmetric. This will become symmetric. That's all for any square matrix. Okay. Let us do 1 by 2 A minus A transpose also. Let us do it. 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is equal to 1 by 2 into. Okay. Now you see you have to subtract all this. See, all are going to become 0. I have seen here. 6 minus 6 is 0. Minus 2, minus of minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 1, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. That means final this also you are going to get zeros even if you send 1 by 2 inside. Okay. Now over. Now you see what you have to do now. You have to do right according to this one. You see A, this you have to write is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. This one you have to write plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. This 0, 0 you have to write whether it may become 0 or not, that doesn't matter. One more point. See, this should become a skew symmetric matrix. Is it a skew symmetric matrix? First analyze. This is a symmetric matrix we have seen. Rows and columns we have seen. Okay. Is it a skew symmetric matrix? Okay. First of all, see what is the condition for skew symmetric matrix? Same like symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix should be square matrix. Is it a square matrix? Okay, square matrix. Diagonal, second one is diagonal should be 0. You see diagonals are 0. Third condition what we have seen, opposite elements should have negative symbol. If it is positive, it is negative. If it is negative, it is positive. But here both are zeros. Then you did not see that symbol criteria. But then what is the origin? Overall is after transposing, this should become negative. Even if you transpose also all are zeros only, na? Even if you multiply with negative also, 0 only is coming. Okay. What I want to say, See, A transpose is equal to minus A comes means skew symmetric. When A is 0, when A is equal to 0, A transpose also 0 only. Minus A also 0 only. Okay. That means this is the skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Now let us represent in this form. Okay. I am representing you, see how. A 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Okay. Now this is A, that is equal to A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. This one you write first, that one. 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Okay. Plus this one plus 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay. Now you see 0 you add or don't add doesn't change, but both are equal or not. You see 6 plus 0 6 6 minus 2 minus 2 2 2 minus 2 minus 2 3 3 minus 1 minus 1 3 3 minus 1 minus 1 2 2, both are same. That means this rule has been obeyed. That means what we can say? We can say that this matrix we have shown as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. This is a skew symmetric matrices. Even if you ask me, is this a symmetric matrix? Yes, 0 0 is a symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix. Both. You can say it as symmetric matrix also. Why? Because you interchange rows and columns, again same thing is going to come. This is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, both. That is why, for our sake, for this problem, we will take this as a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, we have taken. Let us go for third part. I think third part zeros are not going to come. Some result is going to come. Then we can show it. Okay. 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 See the third part of the 10th question. 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. This matrix they have given. They are asked us to show sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix to show. Okay. Okay. Now let us take this as A. This I have taken as A. Okay. They have not given A. I have taken this as A. What you have to do? You have to do like this. A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. You have to write. Then this is going to become addition of or sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Then original matrix is going to come like that. We can show. Let us do it. Already we have done 2 questions. Okay. One is 2 by 2 perfectly come. Another one is 3 by 3 but not perfectly. We can say skew symmetric has become 0. Now here skew symmetric is not going to become 0. Then original 3 by 3 problem feeling you can get. Let us do it. See here also you see A is left side, then A transpose I am taking this side. Okay. Let me do it. A transpose. A transpose is equal to, okay. See 3 3 minus 1. 3 3 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 2 1. Minus 2 minus 2 1. Minus 4 minus 5 2. Minus 4 minus 5 2. Okay. Now A transpose left to right side you are having. What you have to do? You have to do 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. First let us do it. 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. Write down. 1 by 2 A plus A transpose is equal to, no, you have to keep 1 by 2 outside first. 1 by 2 I am keeping outside. Okay, you see A plus A transpose. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 minus 2 1. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Fractions are going to come. If you send 1 by 2 inside, that will come. That's all. Okay. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Minus 2 is minus 4. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. This is what? This is 1 by 2 A plus A. 1 by 2 outside is there. Okay. Again you have to send 1 by 2 inside. Send inside 1 by 2. 3. 1 by 2. Yeah, why? Because 3 plus minus 2, that means minus only it is going to become. Okay, let it be. Have you done any mistake here? Why? Because again after coming back it will be trouble. Minus 1 5. Okay, minus 2. Okay, 1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 4. Okay, okay. Now send inside. Minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is outside, is not there. I have sent inside. Okay, minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 2. Okay. What is this? This is 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. This is okay. Okay. Now, before going 1 by 2 A minus A transpose, let us see whether this is a symmetric or not. See row and columns. First row I am saying 3 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 3 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. First row completed. Second row 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2. 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2. Second row also completed. Transposing. Minus 5 by 2 minus 2 2. Minus 5 by 2 minus 2 2. Third row also completed. That means this is a symmetric matrix. We need not see again. Okay. 1 by 2 A plus A transpose always comes symmetric matrix for square matrix. Okay. Okay. Let us do 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. That also. Let us do it. 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is equal to 1 by 2 into. Now we are doing A minus A transpose. Okay. A minus A transpose. You see 3 minus 3 0. But 3 minus of minus 2. 3 plus 2 5. Now zeros have not come. Then we can get something. Minus 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4. 4 minus 1 3. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 0. 1 minus of minus 5 plus 5. 1 plus 5 6. Okay. Minus 4 minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. See 5 minus 5 3 minus 3 6 minus 6 has to come here. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. 2 minus 2 0. See, even if you send 1 by 2 inside or not, but before that also you can check whether this is a skew symmetric or not. You see, like this you have to take A transpose 1 by 2 A transpose, then this will be this one. Okay, and this I am going to show here. Okay, like this you have to take. Okay, 1 by 2 A, or else I can write this 1 by 2 A plus A transpose, this one. Okay, okay, now you see whether this is a skew symmetric matrix or not, we will see. We know square matrix, yes, square matrix. Diagonals are 0, yes, diagonals are 0. Opposite or same value but negative symbol is opposite same value but negative symbol. Same value but negative symbol. Same value but negative symbol. If you minus it, then automatically minus A is going to come. Okay. Let us send 1 by 2 also. We have not yet finished this. That is equal to 1 by 2 I have sent inside means 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0, 6 by 2 means 3, minus 3 by 2, minus 6 by 2 means minus 3, 0. What is it? 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Now what you have to do? You have to write in this form. A is equal to in this form both. Why? Because see 1 by 2 A plus A transpose you are having, 1 by 2 A minus A transpose also you are having. Both you have to write. Let us write. Final. How I am writing, you see. A is equal to this one. 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2 is equal to This one first. Write down. 3, 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 2, 2, plus. I am writing plus. Plus. This one. 1 by 2, A minus A transpose. This one. 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2. 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Minus 5 by 2, 0, 3. Minus 5 by 2, 0, 3. Minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. Minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. Okay. Now, we have written. As per this question, we have written. But do we know that whether after adding these two, this is going to come like? Okay, we don't know. What we do, here some space is there. We will do some calculation. See, this is rough calculation for our internal understanding sake I am doing. Okay. Okay. 3 plus 0 is 3. That is okay. But you see 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. You see 2 is LCM. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 3. Minus 5 by 2 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. What will become? Minus 2 by 2. Okay. Minus 1. You see minus 1. Okay. First row over. Now we see second row. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Minus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is there. Okay. Then you see this one. Minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2. Then minus 2 plus 3. Plus 1. Plus 1 is there. That means second row also over. Now we go for third row. Minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2. I think this we have seen here. See, minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 means minus 1 will come. Minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 means, okay, let us do it. Minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay. Minus 8 by 2, that is equal to minus 4. Minus 4 is there. Okay. Now you see this one. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. 2 plus 0, 2. That means we have proved this one. Okay. This is okay. These two becomes this one. Okay. But is this symmetric? This symmetric we have already seen. This is symmetric. Even if you change rows into columns, also symmetric. Is this a skew symmetric? This is a skew symmetric. Simple logic is whether you do minus or not also. Square matrix, diagonal should be 0. Opposite with same value with negative symbol. You see 5 by 2, 5 by 2 but minus. 3 by 2, 3 by 2 with minus. 3, 3 with minus. That's all. This is skew symmetric. This is symmetric. Some original matrix. Okay. Now we have proved third part of the 10th question also. Let us go fourth part. Fourth part is 2 by 2 matrix. Simple only. Okay. This is fourth part. Fourth part of the 10th matrix. 10th question. Okay. See, let us take this as A. 2 by 2 matrix only they have given. This is simple. Let us take this as A. What you have to do? First point you have to do A transpose. 1, 5, minus 1, 2. Finally, what you have to do? You have to write like this. A is equal to 1 by 2. A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2. A minus A transpose. In this way, you have to write. Okay. Let us do it. Now, A transpose in front of you, both are available. Now, first part, this one you do. 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 minus 1, 4. Minus 1 plus 5, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Now send 1 by 2 also inside. 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Now you see 1 by 2, 2 by 2. 1 by 2, 2 by 2. Sorry. 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. This is a symmetric matrix. We want symmetric matrix 1. Another one is skew symmetric matrix. Let us do another one also. Let us see whether it is symmetric, skew symmetric is going to come or not. Okay. Write down. 1 by 2 A minus A transpose is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus of minus 1, 6. Okay, 5 plus 1. Minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. 2 minus 2, 0. Send 1 by 2 inside. 0, 3, minus 3, 0. 6 by 2, 3, minus 3. 6 by 2, 3, 0. Okay. Now, whether is it a skew symmetric matrix? Definitely. Why? Because see, you need not do minus. Even if you give minus also, you are going to see that minus 3 plus 3 is going to come. Negative matrix. 0 are not going to change. But for skew symmetric matrix, what 3 conditions you have to see? First condition, square matrix, okay. Second condition, diagonals 0, okay. Third condition, opposite, same value, negative symbol. Same 3, negative 3. Okay. That means this is also skew symmetric matrix. Now what you can do, you have to do A is equal to, in this form you have to write. Let us write A is what? This one. 1, 5, minus 1, 2. Okay, that is equal to this one. 1, 2, 2, 2. Plus this one. 0, 3, minus 3, 0. Okay. Now we can say this matrix we have shown as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is symmetric matrix 1 by 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. This is skew symmetric matrix. Both if you add, this matrix should come 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 2 plus 0, 2. Same has come. Okay. Now we finished 10th question. Let us go 11th and 12th. Both questions are objective type questions. Let us go for that also. Let us see 11th question, objective type question, what they have given. If A, B are symmetric matrices of the same order. See, symmetric matrices are there, but symmetric matrix will come in 2 by 2 also, 3 by 3 also. But what is mentioning of same order means if A is 2 by 2 matrix and B is also 2 by 2. If A is 3 by 3, B is also 3 by 3 matrix. AB minus BA is, see, you are doing here multiplication of A and B and multiplication of B and A and subtracting BA from AB. That matrix what will come? Whether is it a skew symmetric matrix, whether is it a symmetric matrix, whether is it a zero matrix, whether is it a identity matrix. You see, what you have to do here? You have to do transpose. Why? Because see, unless you do transpose process, you are not going to know whether it is a skew symmetric or symmetric. Why? Because these two are there. If not that, then it may come zero matrix or identity matrix. That will be different case. Okay. But you have to do transpose. Okay. Let us do transpose. You see, first I will do as per what we can say standard practice, and we will get the result. If you don't know or if you forget in your examination this practice, then we take one simple example also, we can do it. Simple example one I will do afterwards. But let us do standard practice. Standard practice, how I am doing, you see. Observe carefully. Okay. Okay. See, AB minus BC. See, AB are symmetric matrices they are telling. That means A transpose is equal to A has to come. B transpose is equal to B has to come. Because both are symmetric. Symmetric means what? Even after transpose, same matrix will come. Even after transpose, same matrix will come. Even after transpose, a negative matrix comes means skew symmetric. But they are telling symmetric matrix A and B. A, B symmetric matrix. That means these two conditions are going to be fulfilled. First point. Okay, you box it. Okay. Now what he is asking? He is asking us to find AB minus BA. You see what I am writing here, carefully observe. AB minus BA is equal to C I am taking. This is equal to C. This also one box I am keeping. Okay. This also one. AB minus BA is C. Okay. Now what I am telling you, AB minus BA means C is equal to C. C transpose is C. Then this is symmetric. The answer is B. If C transpose is minus C, then answer is A. If C transpose is some other thing. Zero matrix or identity matrix. Let us see whether those come or not. Okay. Now we have to do C transpose is equal to what is going to come like. Okay. Unless we do transpose, we cannot get the answer. Let us transpose. What I am doing? C transpose is equal to AB minus BA whole transpose is equal to. We know for one formula. A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay. A minus B transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Now you take AB as A, BA as B. Then what will come? AB minus BA whole transpose is equal to AB transpose minus BA transpose. Is it okay? Okay. Now you see AB transpose, again you can write B transpose A transpose minus A transpose B transpose. Why? Because we know AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. That means this order is going to be changed while transposing. You see, BA means AB will come, AB means BA will come with transposes. Okay. But what we know? We know B transpose is B, A transpose is A. Write down. B transpose means B, A transpose means A, minus A transpose means A, B transpose means B. Okay. I have replaced it. See, again I can write this. What minus I am taking common. AB minus BA I can write this. Is it okay? You see, minus AB plus BA, or I can say plus BA minus AB, plus BA minus AB. Okay. But by one, we know one more thing. AB minus BA is C minus C. That means C transpose is equal to minus C. I have already told you. C transpose minus C comes means skew symmetric matrix. That's all. What is C? C is this one. AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Like that you write and close this question. Okay. This is a general practice. Okay. But you don't know this procedure and all, you may get confusion and you don't have time, or you have time but you don't recollect this concept. Then what you are going to do in your examination? If you have time, I am telling you, if you have time but you don't want to lose this question, then what you are going to do? You take simple examples. See, you take only 2 by 2 schematic matrices, both. Okay, how you are going to take? See, 1, 2, 2, 3. See, symmetric. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3. This is one symmetric matrix A. You have taken. Okay, this I am rubbing. Why? Because we have proved already this one. This we have proved. Okay, answer also has come. Okay, now you have taken this one. B also symmetric matrix you have to take. Let us take B, say 2, 3, and again you have to take here 3, 1. Or else you take here 4, 4. Why you are taking same? Here 5. Is it a symmetric matrix? You see 2, 4, 4, 5. 2, 4, 4, 5. Both are symmetric matrices. A, B are symmetric matrices of same order. Now you do A, B, B, A. First you do A, B. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. Okay. Then 4 plus 10. 4 plus 12. 8 plus 15. Okay. This is what? This is AB. AB is equal to 10, 14, 16, 23. AB you got. You do BA also. BA. Write down BA. See, for doing BA, B should be left side, A should be right side. You write again A here. 1, 2, 2, 3. Now BA is equal to, okay, 2 into 1, 2, 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 1, 4, 5 into 2, 10. 4 into 2, 8, 5 into 3, 15. What is going to come? 10, 16, 14, 23. Okay. Now AB, BA has come. What you have to do? AB minus BA. Let us do it. AB minus BA. AB minus BA is equal to, see, 10 minus 10, 0. 14 minus 16, minus 2. 16 minus 14, 2. 23 minus 23, 0. What is it? Skew symmetric matrix. Why? Because see, square matrix, zeros, opposite are same value with negative symbol. You see, minus 2 means 2 will come. Here 2 comes means minus 2 will come. This is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix answer you are going to keep. See, what you can do, rather than this 4, 5, you can take still low, less value of numbers. Then easily you can get. Okay, easily you can get. Interchange this. See, 1, 2, 2, 3 is there. Then interchange 1, 2, 2, 3 here. You 2, 3 or 1, 2 like that you do. Why I am telling? You don't take much time, but you get result. That is also correct procedure only. Sometimes that may be correct. Don't think that this is in a non what we can say intellectual way. Sometimes non-intellectual way give faster answer. Intellectual way, if you go, it will take more time. Okay. Let us go for 12th question. See the 12th question. What they have written. Matrix A is equal to cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. And A plus A transpose is equal to I, identity matrix. They only have, it is they only they are giving. A plus A transpose is equivalent to 1001. Like why 1001? Here 2 by 2 is order is there. That is why 1001 I. If 3 by 3 is there means 100, 010, 001 I. Okay. Find value of alpha. Alpha you have to find. Why? Because see, this value also they have given. We know this value 1001. A also we know. A transpose also we are going to know. Add. Then you find alpha like. Okay, let us do it. This is very simple. Okay. Again I am writing here A and A transpose. You see, A again I am writing cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now again I am writing A transpose. See, again not. First time we are writing A transpose. A transpose means see, this row is going to become column. Cos alpha minus sin alpha will come here. First row, first column. Second row, second column. Sin alpha, cos alpha. Okay. Second row, second column, it has become. Okay. Now you see what you have to do. A plus A transpose you have to do. Let us do it. A transpose. A plus A transpose is equal to. Okay. Directly I am writing cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha. Minus sin alpha plus sin alpha, 0. Sin alpha minus sin alpha, 0. Cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha again. Okay. But this value is equivalent to what? I. I means 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Equal to I. A plus A transpose is equal to I. A plus A transpose is I. Now you see 0, 0, 0, you don't do anything because you need not do. 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. That means 2 cos alpha is equal to 1 you have to take. 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. Okay. When 2 cos alpha is equal to 1, then what is cos alpha? 1 by 2. When cos alpha is 1 by 2, what is alpha? Cos inverse 1 by 2. In cos, where 1 by 2 will come? Which angle? 60 degrees. Why? Because see, sine to become 1 by 2, only 30 degrees are required. But for cos to become 1 by 2, it requires 60 degrees. Okay. Now what we can write? Alpha is equal to 60 degree. That is equal to pi by 3. Where pi by 3 is there? Pi by 3 is here, B. We understand? This is very simple question. Okay. Okay. Now we finished this 3.3 exercise. 3.4 exercise we have to start. Next class we will start 3.4 concepts. Why? Because concepts we have to see. After concepts only we are going to do exercise. 3.4 exercise. 3.4 concepts we will start in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.